Next, Thomas and Percy had to go to the smelter's yard. They were going to collect some steel girders. But when they puffed into the yard, they saw something that was very, very frightening. It was Diesel 10. Diesel 10 was big and strong, and he had a crunching, crushing claw.
You can run, but you can't hide! Right, Pinchy? Pinchy's hungry! Get back! Come on, baby. Coming, Puffball! Look out! Here I come! I like my lunch steamed! Pretty fast for a puffball. I'll get you, you fool!
Thomas and Percy watched. The giant claw crushed the iron and steel. Thomas and Percy shivered. They thought Diesel 10 looked very scary. Let's come back when Diesel 10's not here, Thomas puffed nervously. And they raced away.